whether it is possible to play Cuphead on a school Chromebook or not, and what you really need to know before trying it. So let's get started. So here's the question, can you play Cuphead on a school Chromebook? Technically, yes you can, but you probably shouldn't because school-issued Chromebooks are usually locked down for educational use only. Trying to install games like Cuphead, even if you see Linux or Steam, might go against your school rules. Most schools have an acceptable use policy for student devices. Playing games on school devices can lead to restricted access, device wipeouts, or even disciplinary actions. Even if you find a workaround, it's not worth the risk. If you really want to play Cuphead, do it on a personal laptop or gaming console where you are free to install and enjoy games without worrying about breaking any rules. So, here's a tip for you. Always use school devices responsibly. They are there to help you learn, not to game. So stay safe, stay smart, and play responsibly on your own time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.